Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. You asked me how to make those slimes that I used here in this video, and today I will tell you how. But first, I would like to give a shout out to Weronika Grocholewska, Marti Kowalewska, Notesiku, Joanna Markiewicz, Tęczowe BFF, Beautiful Mint, Emilia Wojanowska, Pastel Cookie, and Cat LPS. If you'd like to get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and write a comment with notifications @ hashtag. Okay, now let's make the slime. So in that other video I used slimes that I bought, and here is one of them. It's beautiful and it has very nice texture. And to make a similar slime, you will need a clear glue, and now you have to add to it just a tiny bit of food coloring, so I'll use a toothpick to do that. And now you will need to add activator. I will use here borax, and in my second slime I will use different activator. So mix it gently so you will not get too many air bubbles. And now when it's ready, put it in a clear container. This way you will be able to see how it changes every day. As you can see now it's not very clear, so now you have to just leave it for a few days. Okay, now we'll make the second slime and I will make it red. So here is my activator. I will use a recipe from Super Slime book, and this will be 1 tablespoon of baking soda mixed with 2 tablespoons of contact lens solution. I will mix it, and I will add only this water to my glue. I'm checking this other activator because I wanted to see if the activator makes any difference. Okay, I'll put this slime in my container. And here are both slimes. So now we just have to wait and I will show you them day after day. Okay, so let's see after 1 day. As you can see, the air bubbles are going up, and at the bottom you can see a bit of clear slime. Here is a bit less of air bubbles, but I think it's because the slime is smaller too. Okay, let's wait another day. So here is the second day, and you see there's less bubbles, but we still have to wait a little bit longer. So here are slimes after 3 days. They're almost ready. There's just a little bit of bubbles in them. I think they need just 1 more day to be clear all the way. Okay, so these are the slimes after 4 days, and they are ready. The red one has still a little bit of bubbles, but it's because it's bigger. But I will not wait any longer because I'm just not patient anymore. Here is the one that I bought, and here is my green slime. I think they look almost the same. And let's see, let's open them. Look how beautiful it is. Now let's look at the red one. It's also very nice. And I think it doesn't matter what activator do you use. Let's look again at the one that I bought. I think my slimes are very similar to this one. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye!